Namaste, beautiful souls out there. I am Sima Kukraja, and today I want to share something deeply practical and powerful with you. If you've ever felt anxious before talking to your grown child, if you've replayed conversations in your head wondering what if they say the wrong thing again, what if they feel I have done something wrong again, and this video is for you. Because no matter what words you choose, the real conversation begins in your body. Your nervous system sets the tone before a single word is spoken. And in this video, I will guide you through a 5-minute somatic ritual, a simple, repeatable practice that will calm your nervous system, open your heart, and create a safe space. Energetic space, though, so that when you do speak, you are heard not just in words but in presence. Why safe space matters? Let's understand that. When we carry fear, guilt, or urgency into a conversation, our children sense it instantly. Even if we are saying loving words, the body signals, the rushed breath, the drenched jaw, the tight shoulders tell another story. I am not safe. I am not regulated. And here's the truth. Connection happens without safety. Not for you, not for them. That's why this ritual matters so much. It isn't about controlling the outcome of the conversation. It's about preparing your body to stay grounded no matter what happens. It's about shifting from fear to presence. Now let's look at the ritual. I'll guide you step by step. I'll post the details in the description as well, but you can make a note of it, or you can just save this video so that you can keep referring to it again and again and practice. So let's begin together. If you're able, sit somewhere comfortable so that no one disturbs you, and in a quiet place, if possible, inform people around you not to disturb you for the next 4 to 5 minutes. So, and make sure that your feet is touching the ground. Sit on a chair or a high place where your feet is touching the ground. Now step 1. Let's look at how to ground the body, grounding the body. Okay, this take 2 minutes and then we can move further. So close your eyes gently. Take a slow breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth with a soft sigh. Do this 3 times. Now, imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. And with every inhale, imagine calm rising up through those roots into your body. With every exhale, release tension into the earth, knowing she can hold it for you. I repeat again. With each inhale, you're imagining the calm that is there from the ground is rising up into your body. And when you're exhaling, exhale all the tension, all the worries, all the anxiety that you're carrying to the Mother Earth, knowing, trusting that she will hold it for you. Now let's do the step 2. Hand to heart connection. So just put your right hand or left hand, whichever is comfortable for you, on your chest and the other one hand on your belly. Feel the rise and fall with each breath and whisper quietly. When you're feeling it, feel the rise and fall of the breath. When you're still holding your hand on the chest, and slowly whisper, I am safe in my body. I am safe in this moment. I am safe in my body. I am safe in this moment. Repeat this 3 times. Slowly, notice how your heartbeat begins to soften. Step 3. Emotional naming. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Is it fear? Is it hope? Is it anger? Is it sadness? Simply name it. You can say, I feel anxious as of now, or I feel hopeful, or I feel afraid. Naming is not weakness. Naming is power. Because when we name, we begin to regulate. Now, gently roll your shoulders back. Rotate your neck slowly. Shake your hands out like you're letting go of the static. Or if you feel like, just stand up and shake your whole body, like just doing like this. You want to stretch, let it stretch. You want to stretch your arms, stretch your legs, do that. Movement tells your nervous system it's okay to release. It's safe to let go. Now, let's set a beautiful intention. Finally, place both your hands on your heart again and whisper, I choose love. I choose love without losing my peace. I choose presence, not urgency. I choose to listen with an open heart. Imagine sounding yourself with a soft light, like a bubble of protection. This is your safe space. You can carry this into any conversation. So when you are about to begin a conversation with your child and you're getting scared or anxious, just do this grounding exercise. Imagine yourself, you're sitting inside a white bubble and you're feeling so safe there. And then proceed with the conversation. So how this ritual changes conversations? Do you feel the shift already? This ritual doesn't change your child's choices, but it changes you. When you enter a conversation grounded, your child feels less pressure. They may still resist, they may still pull away, but your energy will be different. And energy is often the first bridge to rebuilding trust. This practice protects you from spiraling into overreaction. It will help you stay steady even if your child is not. And slowly, conversation by conversation, your body teaches your child, it is safe to be with me again. I worked with a mother named Anjali, and before practicing this ritual, she admitted that every time she tried to call her son, her voice would shake. She'd cry mid-sentence and he would often hang the phone in midway itself without listening to her complete conversation. So after learning the 5-minute ritual, she grounded before every call. The first time, he still ended quickly. The second time, he stayed a bit longer. By the 4th week, he said, Mom, you sound different and calmer. What's going on? That one sentence was proof. No, not of perfection, not of a magically healed bond, but of a doorway opening, and sometimes a doorway is all we needed. So dear one, before every brave conversation, give yourself this gift, 5 minutes of safety, breath and intention, because peace is not something your child has to give you. Peace is something you can create within yourself and carry into the relationship. If this ritual helped you, please subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss what's next. And I invite you to join our free WhatsApp community, a sacred circle of mothers who are practicing these tools together. The link is in the description below. along with my free webinar where I share the 3 sacred shifts to reconnect with your grown child. And in our next video, we'll go deeper into this, healing the mother wound in your body, why generational pain keeps showing up in your parenting. That one will be tender, raw, and transformative. Until then, remember, you can love fully and still protect your peace. Namaste, bye-bye, take care, and love yourself. God bless you.